In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plan your next adventure using Perplexity. This tool can help you craft an amazing travel itinerary with just a few clicks, catering perfectly to your interests and budget. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to perplexity.ai. Once you're on the site, you'll need to log in to access the full range of features. If you don't have an account yet, it's quick and easy to set up. Now that you're logged in, it's time to get creative with your travel plans. In the search bar, type out your travel request. Maybe you're dreaming of a 5-day getaway to the vibrant city of Tokyo, Japan. Or perhaps you're exploring the idea of discovering the best budget-friendly European cities to visit during the winter months. Whatever your travel dreams are, this is where you start laying the groundwork. To make your plans even more personalized, you'll need to add some specific details about your trip. Think about when you want to travel, your budget range, and your personal interests. Are you a food enthusiast who's eager to try street foods? Or maybe you're an adventure seeker wanting to explore vibrant cultures. Be as detailed as you can to help the platform tailor the perfect itinerary for you. Once you've given all those useful details, ask Perplexity AI to create a day-by-day itinerary. This will give you a structured plan that breaks down activities and sites to see each day, ensuring that you make the most out of your trip without feeling overwhelmed. Of course, every traveler loves to have insider knowledge, and that's where local tips come in handy. Use Perplexity AI to uncover hidden gems in places like Kyoto, or find out which street foods are a must-try when wandering through the bustling streets of Bangkok. Local insights help make your travel experience richer, more authentic, and memorable. Another crucial component of any travel plan is understanding your transportation options. If you're planning multiple destinations, knowing the best way to travel between cities is essential. For instance, if you're contemplating a trip that includes both Rome and Florence, just ask how to travel by train between these two iconic Italian cities. Accommodation is next on the list. Based on your budget, ask for suggestions regarding hotels or Airbnb options. Having this information early allows for stress-free planning, knowing you'll be comfortable wherever you stay. Finally, use follow-up prompts to continuously refine your itinerary till it perfectly matches your preferences. This interactive process ensures your trip is not just something dreamed about, but something you're utterly excited to embark on. And there you have it. A seamless, personalized travel planning experience with Perplexity. Whether it's a quick weekend getaway or the trip of a lifetime, you're now equipped with the know-how to create an adventure filled with wonder, excitement, and maybe even a bit of mystery. Safe travels and happy exploring.